Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will show you how to add text behind objects in DaVinci Resolve. So first you need a video in your timeline. Make sure you have a video in your timeline, and after that you need to make an overlay of it. Copy your video and paste it to your timeline. So you have two videos, one as your overlay in your timeline. So after that, you just need to overlap them just like that and go to effects. Here in the search bar, search for a text. So set the duration for your text and go to inspector tool at the top right corner of DaVinci. So here you will see this option to type your text like this. And now you will need to go to your overlay and go to effects. Now in the search bar, again type 3D keyer. So you will see this option under Resolve FX key. Just drag and drop it to your overlay. After that, click on this little arrow beside the transform rectangle and click on Open FX Overlay. This will create something like this in your screen. So you just need to draw a line or whatever on the space you want to remove, and DaVinci will automatically remove the background of your overlay here. So as you can see, I have removed the background of the overlay and the text that I wrote earlier have been visible here. It's really simple. If you want to change the style of your text, you can always click on the text and go to inspector. And that's all you need to know in order to add text behind object in DaVinci Resolve. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe to this channel and I will see you guys in the next video.